Welcome to 3 Minutes Fix. In this video, we will see how to customize Do Movie Streaming app. This is an advanced guide. If you're new here, please go and check out all our previous video in our playlist. In this session, we will see how to change our splash screen to a GIF animation. For this, I am using a GitHub library called GIF Image Viewer. I will show you how our final product will look like. If it looks great, you can check out the tutorial at the end of this video. Now, let's see how to add our GIF image to Android Studio. For this, we will hide our image view. Let's add our magic word visibility and set it to gone. Now in the browser, go to the GitHub library. Link is already there in our description. Next, we need to add the dependencies to our Gradle. So let's copy it. As we already know, we have to paste it in our Gradle folder. While it's syncing, we can minimize our image view and start our GIF view. The syntax or coding is also there in the library page, so let's simply copy it. Now paste it below our image view. We are removing background attributes as it's not required. We need to add our GIF video name here. We will use scale type as fit X and Y, so our video fit with entire screen. Our coding part is over. Next is to convert our video to GIF. This is our video file. Let's use some online MP4 to GIF converter. Just add our video and wait for it to do the rest. You can use any converter. Still, I give this website link in description. I think GIF size is a bit large. We will fix that later. Now, copy our image to our drawable folder. Pasting image inside Android has two different methods. I will make Andrew to explain it for you.
Method 1 is directly copying our image file and paste it inside Android Studio's drawable folder. Method 2 is right-click on the drawable folder. Now choose Show in Explorer. Here you can paste your image with ease.
For our video, I am using method 1. Our GIF is ready. To make our view align perfectly, we will add constraints to it. I am adding left and top constraints. Now, let's run and see. Our animated splash screen is working perfectly. We will adjust our splash screen time according to a different users. Go to splash.java file, scroll down until you see Open App method. Our video is 4 seconds. It's not a good idea to make our viewers wait for a 4-second logo intro. So to know the exact time, I am placing 4,800 milliseconds and running this app. This is our full logo intro. We will change it to 4,300. Now, paste that to our login mandatory else statement. For this, we will keep 1200. So the logic is, the full animation will load for new users and partial intro will show for logged in users. Remember, we are viewing it as logged in users, so our intro will show partially. We have successfully changed our splash screen animation. Now, we will check how our new users sees our intro. As soon as we logged out, our statement was executed to show a full 4-second video. I have covered how to create a logo animation using After Effects template. You can watch it at the end of this video, or you can press the timestamp in the description box to jump to the tutorial. In the next session, we will see how to add a Unity ad banner to your app.
In this session, we will see how to add Unity ad services to your Do Movie app. For this, you have to visit unity.com website. I have given the link in the description. They are providing two main services. One for publishers, another is for advertisers. We will choose publishers. Now press Get the IAP plugin button. Finally, choose Add to My Asset button. Now, let's sign up to get our Unity Ad ID. You have to fill your email ID, password, and full name. Do remember, you have to verify your email, so please give valid email ID. Now press Create a Unity ID button. You will receive a verification email. So let's see in our Gmail. Now choose Link to Confirm Mail option. In your dashboard, choose Project Management menu. As we already have an account, let's choose Sign In option. Please do read and then accept Unity Ads Terms of Services. Choose Monetization option from left menu. Now press Create Project button. Here, give a name for your project. Press No if your app is not targeting children's. Now press Create Project button. Now choose Explore Services option. Under that, choose Monetize button. Here, choose Enable Ads button. As we are freshers, choose No, I want to start fresh option. We will choose third one. As we have other platform in our admin panel, for mediation partner I am choosing other. Verify your settings and then press OK. Note down your game ID in a safe place. Now, go to your Do Admin panel. Under Settings, choose Ads menu. Under Ads Network, choose Unity Ads. Under Unity Ads, paste the game ID that we have copied. Next, we have to get Banner Zone ID. Click the Placement menu under Project Overview. Here, we have several placement options. Find a text called Banner Android. Now, copy it. Paste it under Banner Zone ID. Don't forget to press Save button. Congratulations! Your app is ready to show Unity banner ads. We will run our app and see if it really works. One more info. Remember to log into a user account rather using default admin account. Now, I am signing with normal user account. Your banner ad will appear here. It may appear in 3, 2, 1. For now, it's showing test ads. I think once you uploaded your app in Play Store it will start to show real ads. Remember, this particular ad show up only on home page of the app. If you're not satisfied, I have also created tutorial on how to implement Google AdMod to your app. As you guessed, it will be shown in next session.
In this session, we will see how to add Google's AdMod to your app. Go to your browser. Now type AdMod. Here choose the first link. I have also added a link in the description. AdMod will choose your default Google logged in ID. So, sign into the mail that you want to create Google AdMod before itself, because this site does not support switching accounts. Read and agree AdSense terms and conditions. You can customize email subscriptions here. For now, I am opt out from all of their emails. Now, press Continue button. Here, choose the Get Started button. Now, choose your platform. For us it is Android. Next, choose if your app is listed in the Play Store. For me, it's not available, so I am pressing No. In case you have your app in the Play Store, you can press Yes and then provide its URL. Here, you have to provide your app name. For me it's Gospel. Now press Add App button. Here, choose Add Ad Unit button. Now, we will go back to our admin panel and enable the AdMod in it. First, we will require a publisher ID, so let's copy that from our AdMod dashboard. On top right, press the Account button. Now copy your publisher ID and then paste it to your admin panel. Now, we will copy the app ID and banner from there. For that, press Get Started button. Now, choose a banner from the configured list. Here, type a readable name for your banner. Copy the first ID and paste it to your admin panel's app ID. Same way, copy the second unit ID and paste it under banner ID in your admin panel. We will do the same steps for interstitial ads and native ads. Now press the Save button. I can't show you how this ad work. For me it's not possible because I don't have my app in the Play Store, so I show you a test ad for our video purpose. Google provide test ad IDs, but I personally found it easy to copy from one of Stack Overflow's answer. I will attach the link to our description. First, I will copy the banner ID from the list. Now paste it in our admin panel. Next is to paste our test app ID. We will also paste our interstitial ad ID and native app ID to our dashboard. Now press the Save button. We will see how our ads will look like. First, your ad will appear on clicking the movie detail page. We call it as interstitial ad. Next is the banner ad, which will appear on your movie detail page. Banner ads on home page took to appear. Some reasons, our banner ad take few minutes to appear on our homepage. I have tried to open and close few activity but still, native ads do not appear. In case you got it working fine, don't forget to like this video. The last tip, in case your user raise an issue like even though they are premium user, they still receive ads, then solution is very simple. Ask them to clear the cache. They do that by long pressing the app. Now press the storage button. Here choose Clear Cache. This won't log them out but clear the old data from their phone, which helps our admin panel to send a message to the app saying, "Hey, he is a premium user. Stop showing him the ads." In the next session, we will see how to implement Google's voice search to search movies inside your app. In this session, we will learn how to implement Google Voice Search to your search view of your Do movie streaming application. First, I will show you a live demo. We have added a mic button to our search. When I press it, Google's voice search will be initiated. The recorded voice will be converted to text and search results will be shown to the user. Let's code it. Go to the Edit Text view and adjust its width to 220 dp. Now we will add an image view. We will use this as our voice interface. We will add our mic vector icon. For that, go to your drawable folder. Right-click the new option. Then press the vector option. On search button type mic. Then choose the image and press the finish button. In the src attribute, type name of our mic. Finally, give an ID to our image view. Our design part is over. Let's do the logic part. First, we will declare our image view and its variable. Now, we will assign our variable to the design view using its ID. Next, initialize OnClick Listener. We will create a new method. First line, tell the app to open Google Voice Search. The second line tells Google to open its language model. Language model free form helps Google to identify the language user speaks. This line allows us to customize the Google Voice interface. The fourth line allows us to write a custom text. Here I write as, tell a movie name. In case you're using another language, for example Hindi, you can write it here. For writing in other languages, it recommends to use it via string.xml file. It is recommended to use a try and catch statement. In simple terms, to explain the try and catch statement, we are asking it to check if the request code is correct, else we ask it to throw an exception. It's nothing but an error message. Google will produce errors like, error in capturing voice or we can't hear your voice, something like that. We are going to do one more action with the recorded voice. We will send our voice as a string to our edit view. our search view will immediately show the search result. Here, we are using a switch statement, which checks our request code is equal to our result value. If yes, it will convert our voice data to array string. This array will be stored in the variable called result. Now, we have to add our edit view variable name, but our developer has declared it as a local variable and not as a global variable, so we will convert it to a global variable by declaring it above our class statement. The final statement tells us that send the resultant array starting from 0 to the edit view, and if all the above conditions are satisfied. That's all, our coding part is over. We will run and see if it really worked. I will search for a movie called Angel in the Outfield. I will tell the only first name. Our put extra is executed first.
I will tell Angel.
Now, our search result is working perfectly with voice. In this session, we will see how to send notification to your app using your admin panel. Go to the notification menu. Now choose setting. For this, you have to provide one Signal API key and app ID. In order to get that, press the above link. If you don't have an account, press the sign up button. As of now, I have an account, so I just press login button. Right now I have no other project running, so let's create a project by giving it a readable name. They have provided many push services including for Windows and Mac. For now, we will choose Google Android from the list. As soon as you press the next button, it will prompt you to enter Firebase details. Press the link to get your details. Remember to use the same Firebase account that you previously added your project name. Click the project name. Now press the settings button. Go to the Cloud Messaging tab. Now copy the server key and paste it into our OneSignal dashboard. Same way, copy our sender ID to the dashboard. Remember to treat your server key and sender ID like a password. Under Target SDK, choose Native API. Now, we have to copy this app ID to our Android Studios app config file. Now, paste it in the third line. Next, we need to get one signal key and ID. In your One Signal dashboard, on the top submenu, choose Keys and IDs. Now copy-paste your app IDs and the REST API keys to our dashboard. Remember to treat these details also as confidential and never share them with anyone. As we newly inserted One Signal keys, we need to rerun the application once. Now, go to the notification menu in your admin panel. Let's test by sending movies as notifications. Type first 2 letters to get suggestions. Remember to add some test movies to get suggestions. Now press Send button. Your notification will appear in 3, 2, 1. It will consist of title, banner image, and description. Next, we will send an announcement as a notification. In case you want to inform users about new update maintenance, you can tell them via this section. You can type short messages about updates. If you want, you can tell them about an upcoming feature like teaser. I am adding an image to show. This message is about upcoming maintenance. Now press the Send button. Here is our notification. It does not contain any on-click event to our app but just information to the user. Next, we will send a notification of our web series. Next, using the external browser as a notification. For example, you have released a teaser about a new app or a new movie. You can direct users to your YouTube channel or your website via this method. When the user clicked it, it will open our app and then redirect you to our official YouTube app. Finally, we will see how our WebView notification is announced. When the user clicks this notification, it will open an inbuilt web browser or WebView. Mostly it will be useful in case you have any blog or released new terms and conditions. In the next session, we will see how to add a cron job to send an automatic notification to your user. In this session, we will see how to add a cron job to your app. This is the URL you're going to add to the cronjob website. To access that site, just copy the above text and paste it in Google. Now choose the first link. Also, I have added this link in description of this video. If you're new member, just sign up. I already have an account, so I am logging in. Now click the Create Cronjob button at the top right of the dashboard text. Here, give a readable title to your job. Next, copy the URL from our dashboard. This URL will tell how many users will currently receive notifications. Remember, cron job will work with only people who are installed your app, even though they have an account with your app. For now, I have only one device, so it's showing as one user. Now paste the cron job URL here. Here comes an important section. Remember to use it wisely, so your user won't be annoyed by spamming of notifications. You can choose any option from the list, but I personally recommend you to use the second one, so users will get one notification per day. For now, I will send a test notification to our app and see if cron job correctly work or not. Press Start Test Run from confirmation pop-up. It will do some background processing. You can see, our app received a random movie recommendation. Thus, this confirms our cron job is working fine. I will set the time as afternoon at 1 p.m. is our notification time, where most of our users will be free. Don't confuse by the time shown in the next executable session. It's simply their server time. If you are still confused, here is the proof. On the right side, you can see the next notification time. It will show every day's 1 p.m. with date. That's all for the cron job. Finally, in the next session, we will see how to create a logo intro using After Effects.
In this session, we will see how to create splash screen video using After Effects. For this you will require After Effects, Photoshop, and any editing software. First, we will create our logo, so open the Photoshop. Go to File and press New option. Make your width and height as 1024 pixels. On the right side, you will have a few tools. Press the T symbol to create your text. I recommend you to use Bebas Neue font for better results. I have attached the file in the description of this video. Keep the text size as 150 point for better view. Now type your app name. If you want, you can use this color code. Go to the window menu, choose the character option. In this, adjust the space between text as 30. Now, press the Ctrl+A. Now, in the menu bar, choose a center alignment. Now, double-tap the text and choose the italic style T icon. It's called warp text. Choose the arc lower option. Choose -10 in bend settings. Now press OK button. Our logo is ready. We will cross-check with our sample video. Once you are satisfied with the result, press the file and go to the Save As button. Now save your image as PNG and give it a readable name.
For creating the animation, I am going to use a template from the website called Mixkit. Link to this template is already there in the description of this video. Customization of this template is super easy. If you are new to After Effects, don't worry. I will walk you through how to customize this with your own logo. Download this template by pressing the link below. On other hand, we will open the After Effects. Go to the File menu, now press Open. Change option to all file formats. Now extract our template. Now, open the After Effects file. Press OK for warning pop-up. This is the template we are going to customize. Press the spacebar to preview how it looks. From Zoom menu, choose Fit option to make it fit to your screen. Now, press Logo here folder. Then, drag your PNG logo file and place it. Adjust your image file so it somewhat fits the sample logo placed behind. Accuracy is not important. That's it. We have successfully completed the customization. Now press the spacebar to see what it looks like. We have one more customization to give zoom effect like Netflix app. First, we will export this. Press Ctrl M on your keyboard. Choose Output Module option. Under Format, choose QuickTime. Now press Render button. For creating a zoom effect, I suggest using Premiere Pro. We also going to convert this video to vertical format, so it will perfectly fit our phone. The video size is large, but don't worry, we will fix it. Next, we will open the Premiere Pro application. Now, press Create New Project button. Give a readable name to your project and press OK. Double tab to import the video. Go to File, New and choose Sequence button. Go to Settings tab. Choose Custom under Editing mode. Now type horizontal as 1080 and vertical frame size as 1920. Now press OK button. Now, import your video. Choose to keep existing settings option. You can see, top and bottom of the screen look black. Click your video. Now on the left screen, you can see Effect Control. Uncheck Uniform Scale. Adjust scale height to fit your screen. Go to Sequence and choose Render In and Out to preview faster. Finally, we will use the zoom effect. For that, go to the Effect panel. You can open it using the Windows menu. Check the Effect option. You can also use the Shift+7 in your keyboard. Here, search Zoom, choose Cross Zoom Effect and drag to the end of your clip. That's it. Looks super simple? If so, don't forget to share this video. We will crop our video to 4 seconds. Let's run it for last time. If you're satisfied with the result, then export it. Go to File, choose Export, now choose Media. Choose Format as H264, now choose your destination. Give a readable name for your video. The video size is 5 megabytes, so we will compress it. Go to the video option. Search for target bitrate. Now play with progress bar to adjust the size. Now press the export button. We will use this as GIF. So we need to convert this to GIF format. You can use any online GIF converter for this. You can see the file size is 17 megabytes. First, download this GIF. Then, open another tab and search GIF compressor. I am using ezgif.com, which compresses around 4% of the original size. Remember to rename your GIF to readable name. In your project, open the Splash activity. On other hand, drag your GIF to our drawable folder. Finally, let's run and see. Our splash screen is perfectly working with our newly created animation. You can ask, hey brother, why can't we just use our MP4 file directly? The answer is simple. Video files take lots of mobile graphic, make your app use lots of system resources. Sometimes, it leads to app crash for low-end mobiles. So my suggestion is to use GIF animation. If you still wish to use, you can use this with a video view, but I won't recommend it. Video is weird because we have highly compressed our GIF file. So I recommend you to compress lower than what I showed in video for better quality. I have planned to make many more changes, but due to a busy schedule, I was unable to complete it on time. Still, I have good news for you. I am preparing a separate solution video for a newly created update of the Do 1.6.5 version. I have also completed a partial solution for Telegram. I do my best and find the solution and upload complete video very soon.